Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have a few things to show you. I have one thing that I purchased myself and another thing that was sent to me for PR or for me to review for you guys or to show you guys. So I'm going to start with that. I was sent some Maskeraide masks by Maskeraide, and I wanted to share them with you guys. I have used one of them, but I was sent that mask in another box, so I was able to use it first, and my kids kind of like stole all of them from me. Like I'll make sense of that in a minute. But they sent me a cute little box. It was adorable. I actually made an unboxing video of it and I somehow deleted it. I don't know how I deleted it. I don't know why I deleted it, but I deleted it. So I'm just gonna show you guys the masks that were sent to me. They also sent me a cute little headband that you can hold your hair back with, and they're like little ears, like sheep ears, I think, well, or pig ears, something like that. So I don't have that here because Scarlett took it from me, but I'm going to show you the masks that they sent me. They said that these are new arrivals, so I'm very excited to show you. So we have the Maskeraide Beauty Restore. It nourishes and relaxes. It has lavender oil, aloe leaf, and hyaluronic acid. I don't know if you guys have seen Maskeraide masks before. These Maskeraide masks are in a lot of subscription boxes, and I never used to wear sheet masks because I didn't like the fact that I had to lay there because it would slide down off my face if I stood up. And I got little clips that actually hold the mask on your face. I still have to lay there because masks drip, but I feel better that if I had to move, the mask wouldn't fall off. So this one is the Detox Diva. It has green tea, lemon, and cactus, and it's a hydrating sheet mask. The next one is Pre-Party Prep. This one is for Brighten and Prime. It has orange peel oil, rice, and tomato in it. I probably won't use this one because this one has citrus in it, and I do have psoriasis, and citrus does make me flare up, so I'll let my daughter Dahlia use this. The next one is the I Don't Want to Grow Up. It firms and softens lines, and I would love to have that happen on my face. And this has chamomile, collagen, and argan oil. I love their packaging. Like, their packaging for their stuff is really good. For sheet masks, for their packaging to be this great, that's like the one thing I will say about Maskeraide masks. Whoever does their like artistry for their masks does a really awesome job. Look at this. Like, she looks like a real girl, and she's gorgeous, and I wouldn't mind looking like her. This one, it has 12 mini masks, and I did get one of these in a subscription box, and my kids and I fought over them. They're so adorable. You can put them on little trouble spots, and you can just sit there with these little tiny sheet masks on your face, or you can just put little sheet masks on your face to have fun. But I put these on Dahlia, on her chin, and up on her cheek, and then I had some on because I was breaking out, and Scarlett wanted to join in on the fun, so she took a bunch. But these are the 12 mini masks. It's a sweet retreat, and there are little masks in here that smooth and moisturize. And look at that beautiful art that is on here. Doesn't that look good? Like, whoever does that is amazing. Like the eyelashes, the hair, the lips, everything about it. But here are the 12 little mini masks right there. They're so cute. And then here's another one, and this is the Crystal Clear mini mask. And this one has like little crystals, and there's 12 of them again. And these are to brighten and clarify. And these are so cute. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to say pretty over and over again, but the art is just so good for these. And the little mini masks look like little crystals like this. Super cute. The next one is this. This is 2 peel off masks, and they actually peel off. And this is the Rose All Day Rose Gold Peel Off Mask. And like I said, there's 2 in there. Again, adorable. I love this so much. And the next one and the last one is the Bubble Bubble Pop Charcoal Bubble Sheet Mask. I've used this before, and I really did like it. It kind of like foams up like bubbles on your face, and it's really cool to do, especially when you're just like in a mood. When I like using stuff like this when I'm in a funk. Like, if I'm in a funky mood and I need something to kind of like make me feel better, I'll put on a bubble sheet mask and I'll watch it bubble, and I'll laugh at myself because it looks hilarious. But these are the masks that were sent to me. I was sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was sent 8 of these masks and a little hairband, and I was so thankful for it. And it's really nice to have some extra ones around my house, and I'll be putting some of these in my giveaway. So I'm excited about it. So that is what was sent to me for PR. And then I purchased from Make Up Geek one of their one of their bundle and saves collection, as well as a single eyeshadow. So I'm going to show you guys what I received. So it comes in a cute little box like this when you purchase something. And when you open it up, it looks like this. There was extra tissue paper in there for protection. Everything had bubble wrap on it as well. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this single eyeshadow that I bought. This is in Tuscan Sun. I used to have this one and I used the whole thing up. So I got another one. The packaging is like this. It's just a single eyeshadow, and you can put this in a Z palette. I think I'll probably put this one in the Z palette I just got with the Make Up Geek mystery bundle, because the green one, I tried to salvage it and it did not work. It just, I did the alcohol and I pressed it in and I tried to reset it and it just didn't work, and it was so frustrating. I had to throw it out. So I'll just put this in its place. But here is the shade. It's beautiful. This is just such a great shade when I want to do like a pink look, or I want to do a purple look, because the purple and this shade look very nice together. And I'll just swatch it really quickly for you. There it is on my finger. I don't know if you guys have tried Make Up Geek shadows before, but they're very good. They blend very well. And they're just very nice. I really like Make Up Geek shadows. I wish I had more of them, but I don't. But this is a perfect shade. I love it. I needed a refill, so I purchased that. This single eyeshadow was $6, so it's not bad for, I mean, it is quite pricey for one single eyeshadow, but I was excited to get that. The bundle that I purchased is called the Peach Bundle, and I've been wanting to try this new peach palette. They also have another palette that I will be getting, but I didn't want to spend $50, so I purchased this bundle, and this one was $25, and then I added the shadow, which was $6. So I paid $34.99 for everything total, and the shipping cost was $3.99. So the eyeshadow palette that I purchased is this. This is called the Peach Bellini, and it is so cute. I saw this on Instagram, and I was so excited about it. I also have a pink bundle, and the pink one is called Champagne and Rose, and it is so beautiful, and I want that one too, but I didn't purchase that one. I just was like, I'm just gonna purchase it. You do not need any more pink eyeshadows, but I don't think I needed peach either, but I couldn't help myself. It's so pretty. So this bundle, I got 3 things in this bundle, and it was $25. And here is the eyeshadow, and it looks like this. I'm so excited to have a Make Up Geek palette. Isn't that beautiful? I love these colors. I'm very excited to just have like a peach look on my face. I will swatch some of the shades, not all of them, because I have to do an, oh wait, I can swatch all. Okay, so this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like when I swatch it. Everything swatched really well. My finger kind of slid weird on there, so it kind of looks like it didn't swatch right, but it did. There's 3 shimmers and 4 mattes, and I am so excited to create some eye looks with this. Beautiful, super excited. I love Make Up Geek products. I didn't start using Make Up Geek until I received a few single shadows in a subscription box. I don't remember what subscription box it was, but a subscription box had introduced me to Make Up Geek, and ever since then I have fallen in love with their products. So I'm very excited to try this palette out. I don't have any Make Up Geek palettes. I only have their single shadows, and I think they were only doing single shadows for a while. Okay, so the next thing that was in this bundle is this Make Up Geek brown eyeliner pencil, and here it is in the packaging. I usually use black eyeliner, and I'll use like a different color in my waterline, but I thought they put it in this bundle, I might as well use it. So like use it to make an eye look, like put brown on my eyes instead of putting black. So we're going to see. Oh, okay, so it's retractable. It's not pencil, it's retractable, and it went on very smooth and very pretty. This looks really dark, so I don't think it's gonna make a difference, like a huge difference of black or brown. So I'll definitely use this. And the last but not least is the healing lip glaze. I got a healing lip glaze in my mystery box, and I love it so much. This one is called Creamsicle Delight, and the color is beautiful. And this is gonna look so pretty with those eyeshadows. I'm very excited. So it's just a regular doe foot applicator, And it's a very shiny glaze on your lips. Like it's very shiny. The other one that I had is very shiny and very pretty. And this, it's just like a very light glaze. Isn't that pretty? I think if you do like a real light eyeshadow look with that palette, you go pretty natural and you put on the brown eyeliner and then you put this little glaze on your lips, maybe put a little bit of lip liner on. I think it's gonna look gorgeous. So that is all I bought for myself and that I got for PR lately. So what did you guys think? Do you guys use Makeup Geek? If you do use Makeup Geek, let me know what some of your favorite products are, some of your favorite eyeshadows, lipsticks. Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Have you guys tried Maskeraide masks before? I have. I do like them a lot. So let me know what let me know what your favorite mask is from Maskeraide. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite mask is from Maskeraide. Have you used Makeup Geek before? And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so very much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.